Hey coders, welcome back to the video. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to see the column number in VS Code so you can easily track exactly where your cursor is it in a line. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open the VS Code. After opening the VS Code, simply open the file whichever you want and look at the status bar at the bottom right corner of VS Code. Here, as you can see, there is the LN6COL1. Here, LN means line number, COL means column number. Move your cursor. As you move your cursor along a line, the COL value updates instantly. As you can see, the column and LN values are changing. If you move your cursor, if it is missing, enable status bar. If you don't see it, go to the view option. Here, go to the view appearance. Then here you can click on status bar and make sure it's checked. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check your column number in VS Code whenever you need it. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more VS Code tips, and I'll see you in the next one.